An exciting fraud prevention feature in internet banking is that you can lock or block certain kinds of transactions on your member card debit card. To access the lock and block feature, simply log into your internet banking and then click on Account Services. Then choose Lock and Block. You will then see this screen with a list of your debit cards. Select the debit card that you want to manage and then click Edit. In the pop-up screen, you can give your card a nickname, which can be helpful to keep your card straight if you have multiple cards linked to your accounts. You can also choose to lock your debit card by clicking on this toggle button. This is particularly helpful if your card is lost or stolen. Once your card is locked, all attempted transactions on your debit card will be declined. You can also choose to manage your transactions by blocking ATM transactions, purchases and refunds, and/or international transactions. If you don't use your card in any of these areas, it's a good idea to block that area so that any attempted transactions will be declined. For example, if you don't use your card internationally, you can block international transactions until you go on a trip and then unblock them while you're away. Once you have made the changes that you want to make, click Save Changes, and that's all there is to it. And you can change your settings at any time simply by repeating this process.